Hi, my name is John Paul and I'm going to be showing you how to use this script I wrote, RigidBodyTools for PhysX. Okay, so basically now what I'm going to do in order to show you, just going to create a bunch of cubes. Very simple stuff. I'm going to duplicate them across, make a few copies of them. There you go. I think that's pretty much it. That's enough. Okay, so what can we do with these tools? Just basically, for the moment, all we can do is just randomize some of the attributes for these rigid bodies. So things like, for example, initial spins, initial velocity, center of mass, bounciness, and dampen. Usually, when you create your rigid bodies with PhysX and hit play, all you get is this by default. So it's a very fast, inaccurate sim. So what I tend to do, I have created a quick shortcut here to the PhysX settings. Tend to change it to 98.1 and then the steps up all the way up to 4. So if you hit play now, you see the difference. It feels a little bit more natural, as you can see there. All the cubes are falling at the same speed, at the same rate, and obviously it doesn't look natural. So what people tend to do, or the workflow, is just to assign different or initial spin to all of them, which is also not great. Because they would all be falling at the same time, or behaving the same way from the very start. So what I'm going to do now, just to show you, just going to select all of them, and I'm going to give them random spins from 0 to 50 to all of them. I'm going to read them random initial velocities from 0 to 50. I'm going to change the center of mass to 0 to 1. Give a little bit of a random bounciness to all of them, so some of them will bounce in one way, some of them bounce a little bit less, that sort of thing. And it's the same way with the damping. Some of them will lose force a lot faster than the other ones. So now if I go and hit play, you can see I have a more natural and very nice simulation there. Very fast. So if you want to do like building the emulations and stuff like that, you have your pre-shattered, pre-cut pieces, you can assign rigid bodies and just run your sim, and it does look very natural. So, and to keep adding, because we have 15 minutes, yoo-hoo, I'm just gonna add some extra objects, just to make it a little bit more interesting. I'm gonna go grab this, build it up, bring that here. So let's make kind of like a ramp or something. So you can see how accurate this could be. It's actually very nice. So now I have that, and I'm gonna add a rigid body to that. Go launch PhysX here, hit play, boom, that's it. One thing is now, this is an active rigid body. I don't want this to be an active rigid body, but actually I want this to be static. So I can just change that here. And when I go back to launch PhysX Viewer, hit play, there you go. That's it. That's another object which I'll be using just for collision purposes. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Once you're done and you're happy with them, with the results, all you need to do is just bake the results. So bake all, right? And when you do that, basically it selects all the things and just put them into keyframes. And that's it. That's your sim completely done. All the keyframes are there. Now you can just go ahead and delete all your rigid bodies. I have put a few different shortcuts here, like menus here in the tool, so it's just, it's a quick access as well. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you like the tool. I hope it comes in handy for you at some point. Alright, see you.